President Obama's top 10 constitutional violations of 2013. One of Barack Obama's chief accomplishments has been returning the Constitution to a central place in our public discourse. Unfortunately, the president has done this by degrading the Constitution and by blatantly violating the structure of our founding document. He's been most frustrated with the separation of powers, which does not allow him to fundamentally transform the country without congressional consent. But that has not stopped him. In his first term, Obama's administration launched the We Can't Wait initiative. His senior aide explained that when Congress won't act, this president will. Earlier this year, President Obama said in announcing his new economic plan that I will not allow gridlock or inaction or willful indifference to get in our way. As we reach the end of another year of political strife, we take a look at President Obama's top 10 constitutional violations. 1. Delay of Obamacare's out-of-pocket caps. 2. Delay of Obamacare's employer mandate. 3. Delay of Obamacare's insurance requirements. 4. Exemption of Congress from Obamacare. 5. Expansion of the employer mandate penalty through the IRS regulation. 6. Political profiling by the IRS. The IRS compiled a BOLO list, be on the lookout list, to identify organizations engaged in political activities. Now this list included words such as Tea Party, Patriots, Israel, subjects such as government spending, debt, or taxes, and activities such as educating about the Constitution or challenging Obamacare. 7. Outlandish Supreme Court arguments. Between January 2012 and June 2013, the Supreme Court unanimously rejected the Justice Department's extreme positions 9 times. The cases ranged from criminal procedure to property rights to religious liberty to immigration, securities, regulation to tax law. They had nothing in common other than the government's view that federal power is virtually unlimited. 8. Recess appointments. President Obama appointed 3 members of the National Labor Relations Board, as well as the head of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, during what he considered to be a Senate recess. In January, the D.C. Circuit held the NLRB appointment to be unconstitutional, which ruling White House spokesman Jay Carney said only applied to one court, one case, and one company. 9. Assault on free speech and due process on college campuses. Responding to complaints about the University of Montana's handling of sexual assault claims, the Department of Education's Office of Civil Rights, in conjunction with the Justice Department, sent the university a letter intended as a national blueprint for tackling sexual harassment. The letter urges a crackdown on unwelcome speech and requires complaints to be heard in a quasi-judicial procedure that deny legal representation, encourage punishment before trial, and convict based on a mere more likely than not standard. 10. Mini DREAM Act. Congress failed to pass any sort of immigration reform, but the executive branch undoubtedly has discretion regarding enforcement priorities. But granting de facto green cards goes beyond a decision to defer deportation. That was Obama's top 10 constitutional violations of 2013. A special thanks goes out to Eli Shapiro and Forbes magazine, where I compiled my data from. Thank you so much and have a wonderful new year.